Mazzi Dibia reporting from Airpeace. I will make sure Airpeace regret this nonsense today. What sort of rubbish is that nonsense? So, how many million can lose on Saturday? Who may repeat nonsense at that? You the plane come to one. Don't worry, because on Saturday, no consideration. Today, Biko. Tag Yalum Tunde, Sianas repost to video. Naposiala, Njimade. Biko, I'm na Airpeace now. If you watch, I'm na airport. So on Saturday, Airpeace did something very painful to me. On Thursday, I came here. They said I came late. No courtesy, frequent flyer. I have bought up to 20 tickets this January from Airpeace. Check my name in your system. 20 tickets, different destination. Now, I came on Thursday, they said I came late. No problem. Then, I paid 65,000 to them, no courtesy. Now, I came back on Saturday from Port Harcourt to Lagos. They cancelled my flight from Port Harcourt to Lagos, which was 12 o'clock, and pushed it to 8 o'clock without any written apology. They just sent me mail as if to say, now, I lost how many million on that deal from Port Harcourt to Lagos. I couldn't get to Lagos. I have to follow value jets. Airpeace mess him up. I was telling them, for evening flight. They told me that my evening flight that I scheduled for 4 o'clock should have taken off by 6:45 in the morning. That they sent me mail. Not only I'm gonna have a jacket, Airpeace agenda. Come down and go viral. Can you do this swab? Can you do this swab? You need to make a good kagame. No remorse, nothing. You got boss back. I'm no better magic. Full of funanya. But one fan no cobia. You got from Ket of Araketa. Mukunu Chiegweg. When could you madna ever also ya madna? Unapasiala. Mukunu Chiegweg. You make the Kunyali team na plane na Bana, Kambamuna Kayelozo. Unapwala. What sort of rubbish is this one? Unjimade Egwego, where Bobuna, you ever Amawa Gaya. Ebu you ever Amatu Gunala. What you can do by that? What you can do so? Unjimade Egwego. Can you nonsense of? Unjimade Egwego. Ebu you ever back if Nanya. No, I got us in Libya. I'm not going to do the answer. Unjimade Egwego. Can you not say so? No remorse, nothing. Calm down, let's go. Come on, I'm a plane. You are able to laugh. You laugh, I couldn't man walk at the bank. Then put my comfort. How do you see so? Unjimade Egwego. What do I care? No muso no be go that o. Owo ye ku ya no server. If you are scared, come close. Get the box set up. Do you know what they go? The man will be on Saturday. Get close if you are not scared. Get close if you are not scared. There is nothing I will hear. Let them put me on board and take me home. If they don't take me home today, if I don't fly this evening, Fabi has to have come for. I'm a lawyer, they far. You don't know sense, your boy. What sort of nonsense is this one? At the day they cancel, the day they do this thing, no remorse. Are you crazy? Somebody put blood for you. You put it in the body. You know, what can you go? See that body when they want me. But that call Jesus and whoever that. Bien sûr qu'il a careful. Jesus disappointed China. And my friend have already left. If I don't fly this evening, let me see if they will say anything. You will have power. Do not say so. Since you want to train, I will help you train. This airline does not have any empathy for people. When they want to charge you, they overcharge you. And when they make mistakes, they can't compliment for it. What sort of nonsense is this one? The only thing that is happening, am I flying this evening? This is not sense, the only compromise I'm taking is, are they bothering me to do?
It's okay.
I have a meeting tomorrow. The government is waiting for me. Can I miss such appointment for nonsense of Airpeace? Am I going tonight? It's not possible. Then there is nothing for us to discuss. You can't do. How dare you say that? That is what is available. Okay, let me show you the one that is available from me. Let me show you what is available from me too. Can you not sense your book? Let me show you what is available from my own side too. No consideration, nothing. A person of my caliber should you rubbish me on Saturday. Want to repeat it again today? When you good, when you are so. They repeated this thing on Saturday. On Saturday, 8 hours delay. I bought another ticket to get here. No formal apology. No discount for a frequent flyer. And now you are telling me Toto because you are Airpeace. Open on that and I want to try and check out Zoom. Who is your mama? No sense. Onye Google don't show actually attack it. Open on the end of the plane now. Come on, let's make it. Come on, let's make it. If they don't get the flight tonight, I'm gonna have one flight tonight, but yeah, come along and have it. All night. Why? Look at mine. Now they say it. Come on, look nonsense, up. Are they bothering you? You guys are trained in no radio. You can come and check her now. See, you guys are already trained. So it's fun to play. I'm not going to play. Only I know some of you that here. Come close if you are not here. Only you that to be so. What sort of rubbish is that one? On Saturday, this same thing happened. They said my flight for 12 o'clock was cancelled and scheduled till 8 p.m. 8 hours time range. I bought another ticket. I came here. No apology, no discount, nothing. All you are telling me now is that a flight I bought for evening will take me to Alona from there and
Igbo. Because what they are saying on that airline cannot land because of the problem.
Do you think I'm a riffraff? 3 degrees in engineering. Do you think I'm a riffraff? What's the grid reference of the plane flying? Let us see the nautical mile and the altitude and tell me what's the weather report for today. Who is fooling who? Who is fooling who? Show me the meteorology report for today. Let me see if it will not land. Who is fooling who?
If
these people don't fly me today, Abba. Governor, Maka Airpeace. To see if I can make it on time. Muna Airpeace ejebe court. Ijebe ibe kunu fún ọwọ́ ìfúnni. Muna nna ya chi apia. Ma jero tata. Maka chukwu bi n'elu. Airpeace ejebe court na ajo oge. Ego ko ka jide obu chukwu. Kaimalu, ebo bi ajo ajo. Owo wo kesi na egwu adịghị na ya bịa nso. There are other partner airlines. Why didn't they pay them transfer us? You don't want to put against when you go get and then I can't train yet. Go on, this. Every day this madness is increasing. And then I can't train yet. The air front register by flight is scheduled for. Are you okay? In our parliament. They cannot fly today. Get your best lawyer. Let's go to court. Prepare your best lawyer. Stop calling me. Now, what can meet your appointment? wasting my appointment, wasting money on Saturday. What to repeat it again? You start paying damages from CCC. Oh, when you go where you also. Yeah. Flight of 4 p.m. You scheduled it till the next day. So me that want to go that place tonight, I don't have any business to handle. Chuku megide unu ka anyali ifelu Enugu n'abalị a. Ka mmanụ mụ na ya azụ afọ echi. Make I see whether una go fly tomorrow. One can ask him not be covered by the blood of Jesus. He kill whatever. I just also disappoint you get that. Nonsense.
No consequence. They need to start, taking accountability. They should
Tell me, what sort of zero empathy? Zero empathy. Check. Let them check their database. Only January, from January to this day. If I've not flown you more than 20 times with Airpeace, let them tell me. If I've not flown more than 20 times with them, let them tell me. I saw other airline, no. I wouldn't need to make web. Wouldn't make kiss, make keyboard, make top. Chuku megile kapleni yale potata. Wouldn't na plane ta. Kama mafia ya so beach. Condemned my appointment on Saturday. Eh? If there is shame in these people, when I was furious, you would have told me, okay, come down, let us see if we can book you for another. I paid another money to come down from Port Harcourt because of this people. How do you come back and carry up who and I bought the ticket? Who did I make here? So soon ga overcharge mmadụ. So soon ama ndị inconsiderate. So soon ya escape the ticket. Get your best lawyers, lady. In a team na play n'ọzọ, in a cheat team na play n'ọzọ, onwere ugbo ndị ọzọ ihe team n'ime ya, onwere ugbo ndị ọzọ ihe team na ya, ịmara ihe unu eme ọnwụ unu, ịmaghị onye mbụ, unu na-egbu ọnwụ unu pee mana unu amaghọ. Ife ike ime kịta team na play n'ọzọ, ọ bụ na ana m efere play tata, unu lụọ ọlụ echi ebe a, kpọọ ndị amị nwere, call soldiers if you hope. Call anybody you can call. If you work here tomorrow, taki ya mwana na akibia. Yen netesis kama mongonye bulada to kolu oseba. Kanti tuwe na nakofo. Tinyem na play no so kita na ayo wayo. Moya atari ya ayo bakom. Tinyem na play no so kita. Iya ayo bakom. Oro kena genu. Wonu mu go play no so. Buje ma Anambra. Alu emegu no. Afa go sorry. Ihe na-akọba akọ ka ọ bụla mejere nnukwu n'abalị a. Okay. So etu a gọvanọ na-eche m n'ọfịs ya na m na-abịa nluzi ebe a nsị ya na Airpeace cancelled my ticket. Ifela adịghị eme unu n'ọnụ. Ready your lawyer so. Ọkwa oyibo anyị asụ oyibo. Kwakọ lawyer unu. Mme mụ na-echeta ebebe. Ihe nji na-erekọdị on camera ka ị ghara ikwu nke m na-ekwu ha. Ya ka obere oge esebe m unu vidio. Ọmanta aka kịta. Tinye m na play n'ọzọ. O nwere ọgbọ ọnụ ọzọ dị m. Oke nke agbala unu nkịtụ. Ka m bịa. Agba m nkịtụ aka na alụ ọgwụ na nke a. Chee na mụ na agụ na-egwu. Alụbịa. 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 Ihe afọ nke ka ọfada kịta. Abịa mgbe ahụ nkịta aka na-egwu egwu. Aka m na-ebusu na-ebu na-eche na mụnụ na-achị ọchị. Bịakwakwa ebe a bịa kọ ihe ọzọ. Bụ na egwu ada atọ bịa nso bịa kọ ihe ọzọ. Tim na plen na-eje Enugu kịta. Ọfọkwa 22 minutes o mgbe anyị yọbazie m ọfọkwa 22 minutes ka ọ kụọ 4:45.
This one is for Igbo Agene Onuchi, calling the attention of Igbo Agene Onuchi, checking passengers to
Sekwe na si ano for 14 minutes. Afọkwa 14 minutes. M ga-echegide go luo 14 minutes. Mgbe anyị tụgharịzi ayọba m. Unu ga-agbapụ ọsọ na.
My name is Igbo, the head of what is the problem? My problem.
I'm going to
I want flight.
Airpeace.
Where's the problem?
They said they are not flying today again. They are flying tomorrow morning. And I have an appointment to catch this evening.
When did you come?
I came by 3 o'clock.
When were you supposed to come? As a winner of some flight.
My flight is 4:45. It's not yet even 4:45.
I came in 3 o'clock.
Yes.
So did they cancel the flight or they said you came late?
They say they've cancelled the flight. The same thing they did on Saturday. If Airpeace don't board me today,
Are you going to my office next time?
unless you are boarding me,
Let's go. I will get to the station manager. Call this man for me. Call this man. Now.
if they are not boarding me,
That's out.
if they are not boarding me, it will be fine.
That's out. Okay, that was.
I repeat again, with due respect, I hope the aftermath of this is that they are boarding me.
Can we go to Airpeace? This is the end of.
I don't care her position. Is she boarding me?
Can we go to the office and discuss this?
I have the right to say I'm not going. Is she boarding me?
I've introduced myself as the head of security here. Please, can we go?
Is she boarding me?
I hope I answer that question. I said, can we go?
And if you don't answer it, I have the right to say I won't answer it. I'm not going.
So are you saying you're not going now?
I'm not going unless she's boarding me.
She wouldn't say that here.
Then that means she's incompetent to handle her office.
Can we go to the office?
Is she boarding me?
Is this where you want to hear that statement?
Okay.
Can we go to my office, please?
Is she boarding me?
No, there should answer that question with my presence.
Yeah.
Can we go?
You still just accusing if I'm going or not. If she's not boarding me, it will turn out fine.
My brother, I work with farm. I'm not an Airpeace staff.
You know what you're getting. You have honor. Are you hearing me? Maybe this young man is here to solve your problem.
I'm even the head of operations here.
Are you hearing me? Then in terms of, I'm sorry. In terms of even elder, is senior in my age, my men looking. Please,
Don't go there.
please don't honor him. Yeah, if you are here, this is the only person that will solve your problem.
Yeah, I'm not.
Are you hearing me?
Okay, I'm busy. I'll call you back.
My brother, this is the only person that will help you. Me, I book a flight. My car delayed me. Before I was here before 10. But 10:30 they say he left. I don't have any option. It's not their fault. I pay for another one. So please just honor this.
You work, and you've been flying, right? You know what it means to be a frequent flyer. If Airpeace check my name and they've not seen travel 20 times only in 2025, if I've not bought more than 20 tickets only in 2025,
You know, those people that will not listen to me. This is the only person that will listen.
if it turns out I'm not flying today, it wouldn't end fine.
They don't have flight today.
Eh?
They don't have flight
No, the bag will stay here.
One money.
The bag will stay
Carry
here.
it, carry it. Carry it, don't
No,
worry.
the bag should stay here.
Somebody else will carry. Just carry it.
Let them carry it.
Are you see? Your bag should be your possession.
Let the bag.
that
If
is
the
what
bag want to lose, let it
the rule
lose.
says.
Leave the bag here. Let's go to the office.
They'll just carry it. Maybe because of security reason.
I know how many million I lost because of Airpeace on Saturday. If Airpeace is not flying me today, we have a whole lot of litigation to do. It has become their modus operandi to mess up and go scot-free.
You need to pass it.
The bag. When did you pass this to? Let it be that Airpeace doesn't fly me today. They'll be asking themselves, why did they do such nonsense?